You're going to want to take your Pillsbury Graham biscuit and separate it just nice and carefully all right down the middle. So one biscuit, and you'll place it in each little muffin tin just like that. All right, you guys, we are finishing up just separating our last biscuit here, stuffing this into our muffin tin to make the most delicious 3-ingredient breakfast little kind of, I don't want to call it a treat because it's definitely on the savory side, but I want to say treat because I love the way that we got these little bite-sized biscuits going on here. So now I have some ground sausage, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a couple spoonfuls of ground sausage and I'm going to stick them right into the center of the biscuit, just like that. Now, I don't know, there's maybe a couple ideas or maybe some things that you can add to this. If you have any thoughts throughout this process, type them in the comments. Let's share our ideas. Maybe we can make a recipe even better together. But you know what, today for me, I'm going simple and easy, and I am kind of in a hurry this morning, so I'm just whipping this together. Everybody can have this before we get out on the go and enjoy this springtime weather. There is so much going on, I feel. Everybody's in the parks over here on the West Coast. I don't know, is it spring there where you're at? Where are you guys located? What's the weather like? Do you see any flowers yet? Are there buds on the trees? Tell me all about it. I don't know, maybe there's still snow. Oh, I love the sunshine. I moved away from the snow, and I don't know if I'll ever go back to the snow unless it's by choice. Okay, but either way, we all have this in common, right? We like some simple, easy breakfast little treats here, and I'm just gonna quickly put in a last minute of some sausage to stuff the rest of those up. This looks so good, you guys. I am ready to stick these in the oven. We're gonna stick them in at 375. They're gonna cook for between 12 and probably 15 minutes, so keep an eye on them. They don't take too long, and stick around because you're gonna love what we do with these. While that is finishing up there in the oven, we are gonna add a little bit of water right here and let that come to a boil. Okay, now our water is boiling. We're gonna add our country gravy right here into our boiling water. This is my choice, you guys, but of course, any type of country gravy will do. And if you do make your own, or you have any suggestions and you have a moment, please tell us in the comments. I want a good, easy recipe for some country gravy. But for right now, I am just going to continue going forward with the package directions on this, and stick around, you guys, because it's gonna be amazing. Okay, look at that. They are all done. Oh my gosh, these look so good. And I'm gonna take my clean hands here. I'm gonna lift this right off. I let it cool down a little bit. Look at that. It looks so cute and perfect. I'm just gonna come right over here. I'm gonna stick it right on my plate. Look at those little finger breakfast pockets right there. How cute are those? Oh my gosh, I'm in love. The biscuits look like they're done perfectly. We have a nice golden brown on the outside. What a fun little breakfast to stick out in the morning, you guys. You know what I'm thinking? All the way, Easter morning. Here we go, all the way. Let's have a couple little breakfast finger foods that we can stick out, and everybody can just enjoy. Nobody's in a rush or all has to eat at the same time. Those look so good. Slide this over just a little bit. Whenever something's really good, I always have to sing, right? Okay, now remember that gravy that we made? We're gonna take that gravy and we're just gonna pour the gravy right over the tops of these. Yeah, baby, that is what I'm talking about. A little bit of gravy right over top. If you want extra gravy, take extra gravy. Maybe you put a little thing of extra gravy to the side, but I'm gonna take this one right here. Ooh, it's still kind of hot, but look at that. Nice little golden brown, crispy biscuit. We have that gravy, just enough, dripping right there over top. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is packed with sausage. Look at that. These are absolutely fabulous. I love this twist on biscuits and gravy. There are so many things and possibilities that you can probably add to this. If you guys have any thoughts or any suggestions, please put them in the comments. I can't wait to read
And yes, enjoy. See you guys later. Yum.